Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is anticipated to surpass existing versions in 2023. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 was introduced on the 10th of August 2022 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3 on the 11th of August 2021. So for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 early to mid-August appears likely. The elect also stated that Samsung is planning to sell over 10 million Fold 5 and Flip 5 units in 2023. Accounts to the report only 2 million of those will be Fold 5 phones. After the major success of foldables phones, this can be a good number for Samsung. The new smartphone in the Galaxy Z Fold series is a great fusion of style and functionality. It is expected to be sleek and lightweight and available in various colors, and there is also speculation about a better resolution which will improve the display quality. The device is also expected to be more durable and provide a satisfactory experience to tech lovers. Some more features such as a better camera connectivity options and a bigger processor are also rumored. Korean site The Elect has the first details of the handsets, and while not exactly surprising, the details do show continued year-on-year improvements. As you might expect, the handsets are set to feature Qualcomm's next big chip Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset that will be made on TSMC's 4nm process. Samsung continues to use Snapdragon chips only for its foldables, and this trend is expected to continue next year. The larger foldable gets additional intel on the camera front. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 will reportedly feature a triple camera array led by the company's ISO's GN3, a 50-megapixel sensor with a pixel size of 1.0 mm. It's unusual for Samsung to set such a low target for its next-generation premium devices, as the expectation with every new generation is that shipments will be up to considerably compared to last year. Samsung decided the weak performance of the under-screen camera on the Z Fold 3 was worth replicating in a future model, and this are actually minor details in the wider report, which is more about Samsung's sales expectations for its future foldables. You may see a little change in Z Fold 5 design, where we only see a slightly smaller and wider display, just because of new hinge design we see on Z Fold 5, quite small compared to Z Fold 3, and that thing also reduced the crease visibility. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.